be easily understand how to be complete to be these games. So guys, all about this is the more easily, not to be anything hard, just to be asking to you watching be end of watching this video, because I'm be more helping to you every time every day, because many people sometimes not to be understand, but I will be completely guide to you how to be complete to be these games. They all of everything easily know, not to be anything hard, just to be I request to you end of watching this video, I will be helping to you. So let's start this video. We completely be end of watching this video, then you will be easily understand. Now let's start this video. Okay guys, I'm be already download this game, and I will be completely guide to you how to be complete to be this how to collect to be these coins, all of everything more easily now. Just only I request you be end of watching this video, then you will be easily understand now. Just to be little loading now. Okay guys, this is the everything more easily now. Some people sometimes not to be understand, but I will be completely guide to you how to be complete to be these games. Okay, to be try this, and against. Okay, checking now. Because many of people sometimes not to be understand how to complete to be this is game like you collect to be these coins, because then you will be when you will be starting this game, then you will be easily to be collect these coins, and more than easily to be complete to be these games. And sometimes people not to be telling to you all about this game, so but I will be completely guide to you step by step when this game like the more levels upgrading now, so then you will be easily to be more earn coins. And before you will be never like skipping video like the x4 x2 the add the options. Okay, I will be using these options. To be try this. Okay, you will be never skipping this the video like the I will be clicking on these options. Okay guys, so next step to be I will be starting now. Just to be I will be telling to you how to be collect to be this easily to this coins, because depend on your brain how to complete to be your levels. Because if you easily to complete to be this game levels, then you will be easily complete to be your game. Dapat kayo wala guys.